let us discuss some examples of covalent bonds. I am taking the formation of fluorine molecule. The chemical formula of fluorine molecule is F2. The chemical formula of fluorine molecule is F2. This fluorine molecule is formed by two atoms of fluorines. This molecule is formed by two atoms of fluorines. I am taking the symbol of fluorine is what? Capital F. The symbol of fluorine is capital F. The electronic configuration of fluorine is 2, 7. In outermost orbital, 7 valence electrons there. To get octet configuration, this fluorine atom share one electron with other atom of fluorine. Okay, here one pair of electrons are shared between two atoms of fluorine. That's why this fluorine molecule is example of single covalent bond. This molecule is example of single covalent bond. Okay, now take two atoms of fluorines. I took here, write the symbol of two atoms of fluorine. Next, take the 7 valence electrons and place the 7 valence electrons around the symbol of fluorine. Here I placed 7 valence electrons, here also I placed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Here also 7 I placed. Okay, each fluorine atom is sharing one electron. Here one electron, here one electron. These two electrons are shared between these two atoms of fluorine to get fluorine molecule. Okay, see, two electrons are sharing between two atoms of fluorine to get fluorine molecule, and these two atoms are getting octet configuration in outermost orbital. See, octet configuration. 2, 2, 2, total 6 electrons, and this sharing pair, one pair of electrons, total 8 electrons. This atom of fluorine is getting octet configuration, and here also same 2, 2, 2, 2, total 8 electrons. Another atom of fluorine also getting octet configuration, and it's form a fluorine molecule. Okay, this is another structure of fluorine molecule. Just instead of one pair of sharing electrons, just keep a dash. This dash indicates one pair of electrons are shared between two atoms of fluorine atoms, remaining same to same. Okay, now this is another structure of fluorine molecule. Two atoms of fluorine I place it in circle. Here this circle indicates one atom. Okay, here one atom, here one atom. Same, place the 7 valence electrons around the atom. 2, 2, 2, here 1, 2, 2, 2, here 1, total 7, here also 7. These two electrons are shared between two atoms of fluorine. See, finally after a chemical reaction we get in this way. In common area, this is a common area of F2 molecule. So this common area is shared by two atoms of fluorine. In this, keep the shared electrons. In this common area, place the shared electrons. One pair of electrons are sharing. That's why I placed that one pair in this common area. Okay, now see this diagram. 2 electrons, 2 electrons, 2 electrons. Total 6. In this common area, 2 electrons. Total 8. This fluorine atom getting octet configuration. Another fluorine. See 2, 2, 2, 6. This common area, 2 electrons. Total how many? 8 electrons. Okay, in this way fluorine molecule will form by using two fluorine atoms.